In this video, we look at the new autoscale feature to set available sessions during working hours. When we set our autoscale trigger to available sessions, we can maintain a specified number of user sessions always or during working hours. When we select work hours, we can now set the time range for those working hours. The unselectable start of working hours is populated by the pre-stage host value below. Pre-staging host is a prerequisite for this new feature. We have additional flexibility to scale in session hosts as the number of active user sessions decrease. We can set a time restriction that only allows scaling in during a given period. Or we can set the scale in restriction to allow scaling in at any time. This removes the scale in time period, allowing for the stopping or removal of session hosts when the number of available but unused user sessions grows beyond what we've specified under maintain up to X available sessions. That is how to use the new autoscale available sessions during working hours setting.